Today, I'm going to show you something truly magical, how to bring old AA batteries back to life. Here's a wall clock machine in my hand, and the battery is almost dead, so I remove the old cell and replace it with a new one. Next, I grab my multimeter. Set it to DC voltage mode. It's reading 0 point something, almost dead. But wait, let's start the magical process. First, I carefully remove the outer metal shield of the battery using a cutter and pliers. Safety is key here, so I take my time. Then I use a simple tonic water for batteries. Carefully injecting it into the AA battery. Now I reassemble all the components, ensuring everything fits perfectly. To secure it, I roll some electrical tape around the battery for a sturdy finish. And now, the moment of truth. I set the multimeter to voltage mode again and measure the battery's voltage after the repair. Wow, it's reading around 1.5 volts, just like a brand new battery. Can you believe it? A battery that was almost thrown away is now as good as new. Thank you so much for watching this incredible journey of recycling and reusing old batteries. If you loved this idea, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.